Okay, so the brand sent me out to test this out. We are going to be doing an unboxing and review on this necklace chain. And this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package. And from there, we are going to test this chain out to see how it looks like when you wear it. So yeah, without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys how this chain looks like. Okay, so we got everything out of the package, and here's the black Cuban chain here. And you can see how beautiful it looks like in the gloss black finish. Right over here, it comes with a storage bag. Whenever you're not using it, you can put it back in there, and then the elastics, and you just close it up. It really is cool to have this, a huge plus for them to bring this as well too. So whenever you're not using it, you just put it back inside this bag. Now, when it comes time to the Cuban chain itself here too, in the gloss black finish, it looks absolutely beautiful. One thing I love about it is that it has a magnetic hook. So when you take this out, you can just hold these two tabs, and then it would dismantle and come off just like that. It really is cool. And then you stick it back inside like a magnet. I love how this chain is. Absolutely high quality. Another thing I love about it is that when you hold it, you can see it has a good weight to it as well too. And it's not like too light, not too heavy. It's in a moderate size. But that right there, it tells you that this Cuban chain, it is high quality. Now, what we're going to do now is that I'm going to wear this chain and show you guys in person on how this chain looks like when you wear it on. Okay, so this is the finished results of this Cuban chain, and you can see how beautiful this gloss black finish is. And like I told you guys, I complimented with the white t-shirt with the black. It looks really nice with the contrast. Now, this is in the width a 12 millimeter. The size is a 20-inch, and the size is it fits me well. Now, if you want, they offer, you could go up in the size as well too. So you get a 22-inch, a 24-inch, and you can even get even greater beyond that. And for me, a 20-inch fits perfectly. What I love about this chain is that once you clip it on, it doesn't move anywhere, and you can see the quality is really nice. It's not moving it. It's not moving anywhere, and it's all tight and sturdy. I love how it feels. It feels very nice. And the best of all, to put it on and to dismantle it, all you have to do is just, click this thing right over here. You're gonna hear a click sound, and it comes off just like that. And you can see here in close in person how beautiful this chain looks like. And like I told you guys, it's really high quality. It has a good weight to it as well too, and it just feels very like aesthetically it will improve with whatever clothing, whatever dress you're wearing. Like I told you guys, for me, my favorite combination is white with black, and it really blends in and looks very well with it. You could blend it with any other type of color as well too. If you have other shirts or other clothing, you could complement it with it as well too. But if you're looking to stand out from the crowd and you're wanting to change up your whole dress wardrobe appearance of the clothing you're wearing and you want to stand out, I would definitely recommend this Cuban chain because it's really high quality. It's super nice when you wear it. It has a magnetic, so whenever you wear it, you hear that click sound right there, and then when you take it off, it's really easy to take off as well too. So you just press this and it comes off like that. And overall, I would definitely recommend this chain if you're looking for a chain to wear for for parties, for occasions. Then I would definitely recommend this chain, considering that it feels very nice, it's high quality, it has good weight to it as well too. And yeah, I'm absolutely happy with this chain and would definitely recommend this product.